Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. You guys, I'm excited as you can tell. So I ordered some things and it just got here. Actually, I ordered things for my makeup chair, my lights, cape, everything is in this carton. Okay. It was delivered yesterday and I wanted to unbox it, so I didn't have strength yesterday, you guys. I was so tired yesterday, so I didn't end up unboxing this yesterday. So I have strength now. I'm going to unbox this. Like, I'm so excited, I'm so happy. Like, this is my investment. Like, as in, this is my investment. Looking at this, I'm just so happy. See, anything that has to do with Tiara, anything that has to do with makeup excites me, you guys. I don't even know how to explain it. Anything that has to do with makeup excites me so much. So God is good delivered this, and I'm going to just unbox it now. So let's see what is inside, and let's see if I was sent the right items. Okay, all right, let's get to it. It's not a mistake. Simple lipstick. And a cape.
You ordered that one?
Yeah, I ordered it. Oh, you guys, can you see?
For time's sake.
You guys, can you see my new light, and can you see my chair over here? Like, I'm so obsessed. I'm coming. I want to put on this light so I can show you guys how bright this light is. You guys, this light is blinding. Oh my god, I still need to figure out the settings and everything, but the light is up now, and I'll just put it here. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like with, in fact, let me just use it to film. Let me show you guys this chair. Yeah, so this is a chair I ordered. Yeah, so it came with this pouch, it came with this bag, a very big bag, and these are all the carton and the bag for the tripod. Then I also bought a cape. I don't know if I showed you guys. I bought a cape so that I don't stain my clients. I bought a cape. So yeah, that's about it. This is my ring light I always used to film, but now we have something better. We have something better, you guys. Look at this light. I'll figure out the settings and everything, but yeah, I love it. You guys, see, I haven't even figured out the settings of this light, and look at how mad I'm looking. Goodbye to that ring light. What? You guys, see, she also sent me lipstick. Oh, so nice of her. I'll put her handle on the screen. I can't remember what her name is, but I'll put their handle on the screen. Please go and patronize her when you see this video, and maybe you might also get lipstick too. Maybe you might also get, oh no, it's a lip gloss. Thank you so much. See, guys, I'm panting. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Like, unboxing this is just giving me joy. Plus this light, this new light. See, let me even sit down on my chair so that let me bring this light closer. I'll catch up with you guys later. I wanted to just do this unboxing and show you guys the items that I got. So I'll pack this back and oof, excuse me, I'll pack this back and I'll catch up with you later. Bye guys.
1 week later.
Hey lovelies, good morning. How are you guys doing? I don't know if you guys can tell from my face, but I haven't been feeling well and plane is passing, you guys. It's so annoying. I haven't been feeling well and I haven't picked up my camera to vlog. I've been so busy, like I've had a lot of things to do for my business page that has been keeping me busy, so I haven't been vlogging a lot and I'm still trying to recover. But the reason why I came out to make this video is because I ordered a product yesterday for Tiara's hair, so I'll show you guys. I ordered this hair product, Warrior Secrets. So I've heard a lot about this brand. I've heard a lot about this brand from some YouTubers, people on Instagram, and see, I just wanted to just give it a try. And Tiara has, well, I bought her one hair product that she was using. I won't mention the brand, but it was irritating her scalp, so I had to stop using that hair growth product. So I decided to give this one a try. Tiara has very beautiful hair. Her hair is full, her hair is long, but some places are not as long as some places, so that's why I bought this package. Actually, it just came. Like, the reason why I'm even making this video is because I'm impressed at how fast it came. I paid for this yesterday afternoon, and you guys, it is, I think 11 a.m. sorry, or like 11:30 thereabouts, and it just arrived so fast. So they had different, obviously they had like different products that you can use, but I went for the replenish and restore package because Tiara's hair is already grown. I just need a product that will just replenish her hair and, you know, restore some places that need to be restored. So I'll just quickly show you guys what it's in the carton. So this is the hair moisture. What's that? So this is the hair moisturizer. This is the growth oil. I've heard a lot about it. In fact, I'm obsessed about this growth oil and just hope that it works. It has like, I don't know, it has like particles in it, and I've seen reviews on this particular product, so I'm looking forward to using this for Tiara. Then I bought a detangler hair mist. You guys know that Tiara's hair is natural, so these are the 3 products that came in the restore bundle, and I would update you guys on the progress of this product. You guys, if it works for her, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I wanted to just come and show you guys this product because it came in really fast. Like, I'm so impressed at how fast it came. So I'll catch up with you guys later. You guys, I look a mess. I'm taking out my hair this weekend. I'm taking out my hair this weekend. It's been over a month. This is the first time, or maybe second time, I'm carrying my hair for this long, and that's because I really like the hair. It still looks slightly neat, but I'm done with this hair, so I'm taking it out this weekend. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later.
3 days later.
Good morning guys, how are you guys doing? So the day has finally come and I'm going to take out my hair today, myself and Precious. We're heading over to the salon now she's already losing that hair, but she wants to relax her hair and weave it. So we're heading to the salon now, and I'll carry you guys along. And guess who I have with me? My sweetest handbag. Say hi.
Say hello. Say hi.
Tiara is not in the mood. So I'll see you guys when I get to the salon. I told you guys that I wasn't feeling too well, but I'm getting better. So see you guys when I get. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? See you guys when we get to the salon.
It's been a long time. Some of the old songs.
A few moments later.
Hey lovelies, so we are back home. I am so tired. There was so much traffic on the road and I didn't vlog so much in the place because I wasn't really feeling the place and they had like plenty clients there, so I didn't want to put anybody's face in my vlog for future reasons. You guys know I didn't want to put anybody's face in the vlog, but I like how the hair turned out. Look guys, look at how white my scalp looks. And see, I lost my front hair. This Ghana weaving chopped, ate, took the remaining front hair I have. You guys see, can you guys see? My front hair is gone. At least I still have something in this place, but you see this one is gone. And yeah, I like this hair. I'm just happy that I've loosened. Someone just turned on the tap downstairs. I'm happy that I've loosened my hair. Now I can sleep well, put on a wig if I need to, but I'll be carrying my hair like this. So on my way back, I branched to the supermarket to buy a few things. And I want to start cooking now. So I think I'll end this vlog here. I don't want this vlog to be too long. So please, if you did enjoy this video, comment down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.